welcome back to my channel and to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. It has been definitely a little bit longer than I wanted it to be, but we have gotten our hands into a lot. So the time lapse that I added in to the last clip, that was us putting the cab on our Dodge frame with the engine and transmission, and that is basically where this project kind of flipped around, and we had to make a lot of adjustments because this F-250 cab definitely does not fit on our Dodge frame. It was off by a whole lot more than we even could deal with. So after a couple days of fighting the inevitable, we gave up on the Dodge frame and ended up switching to our Ford frame. It was just in a lot worse shape and we were really hoping we didn't have to use it, but we did. Getting the engine and transmission in this Ford frame wasn't too bad. We had to fab up a couple of things, but nothing crazy, and we ended up eventually dropping the cab and it fit pretty perfect. You know, we probably should have started here. We're moving forward. We got some of the body work fixed up on this thing, like the rocker panel and floor pan. I kind of showed you guys me welding for the first time, and that was a lot of fun. Also need some more practice at that. A lot of my footage and filming has been pretty mixed up due to our mix-up, so I feel like I didn't get a lot of fair shots of our finished and completed work on the body and also the frame. I'll catch you guys up with where we left off and we will be moving on from there. So basically this is the only way I know how to get this truck out of our garage at the moment. And if we need to replace this tailgate, you didn't see this and it's not my fault. I 100% had help actually doing this, but I said I could do it, so. Okay, so most of the body work that we got done was on the driver's side, and we were working on this floor pan. That's where I was learning how to weld. It definitely beats having a hole in our floor. And then we also replace this rocker panel. This is the passenger side. It's a lot better. We have a little bit of rust, but nothing we can't deal with. And then we are looking to replace this seat in here, which I kind of want something, I don't know, vintage, but I think it will look really good with a custom interior and all that stuff. This is the Ford frame, and we cleaned up the Dodge frame so well that it's so sad to see our truck sitting on this frame right now, but we are definitely going to be redoing this frame. It's crusty. We also have to switch our gas tank. So moving forward, we definitely have a lot of work on our hands and a lot more to do, and I cannot wait to show you guys. We have some fun paint picked out. Obviously it has to be a wild color and bright. So let me know in the comments what you guys think it might be or what you think would look good on this truck. I'm interested to know. And also, if we could get this truck on a dirt track and race it, that would be absolutely amazing, just to do something fun and different with this. In the next video, we'll be figuring out our core support, intercooler, radiator. Hello? Because we do not have that at the moment, and we are having a hard time finding OBS 7.3 core support. If you guys are in Ohio and have one, let me know, leave a comment, and that would be awesome because we are struggling very hard to find one. If not, we'll probably just end up making something and making it work, but let me know. We also obviously have the bodywork, paint, and the fun stuff coming up. I just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on and kind of where we're headed. Again, a little bit of a mix-up in the beginning, cost us some time and money, but it's okay because we're figuring it out, and I think that's what this whole channel has been about, just learning as I go and for some reason showing the whole internet to see. So anyway, thank you guys so much for all your support. Thank you for being here. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.